It just turned south at, was it Karam Boulevard? And now they're eastbound through the lots, south side of the road. Stopping out in front of first building to the east.
Helicopter back a little bit.
Alright, they're breaking in. They just busted in the front door. You got three inside.
Move in. Move in.
And vehicle's taken off. Trooper 2, we can stay with that if you want.
Location update.
Just exited at Wyoming, Southfield's back behind it.
Radio Trooper 2.
Trooper 2.
Alright, we're following a B&E vehicle. It's Marks. It's at 18822 Marks. 18822 Marks. It's a fresh B&E. Just ran from Southfield if you have any units in the area. We got one on foot running eastbound from that address.
Black male, heavy set, dark clothing, tucked in the bushes.
MSP has him in that field currently. Let you know when we get him in custody.
And yeah, officers making contact, take him into custody right now.
Troopers right now. He's in custody.
All right, good job, all parties involved. That subject is in custody. 0-2.
And Radio Trooper 2, thanks to you and all the guys down there for the assist.